Welcome to Yeeflow Form Report tutorial series. Today, we'll guide you on how to use Yeeflow's form reports effectively. Yeeflow's form reports are designed to display and manage data from approval forms. They offer great flexibility for viewing data by allowing you to set display fields, filters, sort, and color code data. Administrators and regular users have different access levels. Admins get full control, while regular users can only filter and sort. On the form report page, administrators have the authority to determine which fields are visible and their order within the current data view. To do this, click on the Display Fields button to reveal a pop-up window listing all available fields. Toggle on each field you want to show as a column in the view, and toggle off any you want to hide. For reordering fields, click and hold the icon next to the field and drag it to rearrange its position. Once satisfied with selections in order, close the pop-up, and changes will be instantly saved and applied to the data view. Users can use the data filter function to query specific data in the form report. Click the Filter button to open the Data Filters window. Add custom filter conditions by selecting fields, choosing conditions, and setting values. You can also add multiple conditions for precise data queries. The form report also allows users to sort data. Click the Sort button to open the Sorting Settings window. Choose the field for sorting. Select Ascending or Descending, and click Apply to see the sorted data. If you want more sorting options, you can click the Pick Another File button to further optimize the sorting. To enhance readability and quickly identify certain records, administrators can color code rows based on specific conditions. Click the Color button to open the Color Settings window. Click the Add Color button in the bottom left to add a new color definition section. Select your desired color, then click Add Condition to set the corresponding condition. For additional color definitions, repeat the process by clicking Add Color and follow the steps. Save and apply the settings by clicking Apply at the bottom right of the window. The Form Reports search function offers a full text search based on keywords, enabling quick data retrieval. Enter a keyword in the navigation bar's search box, and the system will instantly display matching records. If you want to narrow down your search, you can choose a specific field from the drop-down list next to the search box, listing all fields in the current data view. Select the desired field. The search results will exclusively display matches for that particular field. Let's now explore how to customize data filtering and search options in Yeeflow's form report by adding or removing fields. By default, the predefined fields are available: ID, created by, modified by, created time, and modified time. But sometimes, more detailed analysis may require filtering or searching by other fields. Here's how to set up data filtering and search fields. First, click the More Settings button in the navigation bar, then select Edit View from the drop-down menu. In the View Settings window, find User Filters and click on the Settings button beside it. This action will open the User Filters pop-up. On the left, you'll find all form report fields. Check the boxes for the fields you want to add, which moves them to the right side selected list. To remove a field, click the Delete icon next to the field in the selected list. To change the field order, drag and drop the order block beside each field in the selected list. Once done, click OK to exit the User Filter window, then OK again to close the View Settings window. Now all users will see your chosen fields in the drop-down and search options for data filtering. By using Yeeflow's form reports, both administrators and users can efficiently interact with data, ensuring data consistency and management efficiency. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Yeeflow tutorials to enhance your form report capabilities.